Need to stretch out your back and your neck? Well, in this video, we're gonna do a quick follow along stretching workout to help you relieve those muscles and increase your flexibility coming up. Now, before we dive into those stretches, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you know every single time I post a new workout video or diet tip. Hey, my name is Jenny J, and I'm an online fitness and nutrition coach with over 10 years of experience working in the health and fitness industry. And I've helped hundreds of people change their lives, get fit, and lose weight through my live classes, my online workouts, and my challenges. And in this video, we're gonna do a follow along series to really stretch out your back and your neck. If you're feeling tense and carrying a lot of stress here, this is gonna be the perfect little stretching series to do to make sure to relieve those muscles and make sure that you are feeling so good. So let's go ahead and get started. For your first stretch, simply tilt your head over to one side. Use your opposite hand to gently pull on your head, stretching out the side of the neck. For a deeper stretch, reach the opposite fingers down towards the floor and hold it for a few seconds before switching sides. Drop the chin down and slowly make nice big circles all the way around, allowing those shoulders to melt towards the floor, really going nice and slow. Do about 3 to 4 rotations to one side and then switch. In this next stretch, clasp those fingers and pull those hands forward, stretching out the shoulder blades. Inhale those hands nice and high, then pull the elbows out, opening up the chest. Keep repeating. As you push forward, exhale, inhale on the stretch up, and then exhale again on the opening. Bring your hand out and then using the other hand, grab from the wrist and gently pull the hand over to one side. You're going to really stretch out the upper shoulders and upper back area. Then do the same thing up overhead. Bring that hand overhead using the opposite hand. Grab from the wrist and reach up and over, stretching out the side body. You'll then do a set of cat and cow. For your cow, think about inhaling as you broaden out the collarbone, arch the spine. Shoulders are back and down. And then on your exhale, chin to chest, pelvis tucks under as you bring the back of the heart up towards the sky. Keep those hips exactly where they are. Walk your hands forward and place the forehead on your mat. Continue pressing deep into your palms so that you can get a subtle opening in your upper shoulders and upper back. Come into a child's pose. Big toes touch, knees nice and wide, hands extended forward. You're going to walk your hands over to one side of the mat. Place your right hand on top of your left for a side body lat stretch. Hold it for a few seconds and then switch other side. Come onto your stomach and windshield wipe those feet right and left. This should feel really, really good on your lower back. Next, come into a scorpion pose. You're gonna bring your right hand out to a T position, lift your left heel to your glute, then push using your left hand to bring your leg up and over, getting a nice spinal stretch. Then switch other side. Come to your back and bring those knees to your chest. You can find stillness or make nice big circles around, giving yourself a nice low back massage. Do that a couple times one way and then the other. Bring those knees to tabletop, hands come out in a field goal post on the floor, then allow those knees to fall over to the left as you gaze to the right. Hold it here for a few seconds and then switch other side. Give yourself a nice low back release by windshield wiping those knees right and left. Hug those knees into the chest after and then come up to a seated position, and we'll finish off with a few big deep breaths.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed today's stretching series. If you did, feel free to like and comment below and let me know how you feel. And if you want more workouts like this where you feel like you're getting live instruction from me as if I'm right there in your living room, head to jennyjfitness.com and get a 7-day free trial of my on-demand program. You get access to all of my workouts from HIIT, cardio, strength, dance, Pilates, stretch, and so much more. As always, I'm posting a new workout video and diet tip every single week, so make sure to check out these videos here, and I'll see you on the next workout.